In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. This is a great way to organize daily logs or journaling activities within Notion efficiently. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll have a helpful framework set up that will streamline your use of Notion for daily entries. Let's start with the first step. Open Notion and create a new page. You can name it something like Daily Log or Journal, depending on your preference. This new page will act as the main directory for all the dates you plan to add, making it easier for you to navigate your entries. Naming your page is a small yet crucial step because it sets the groundwork for how you'll organize and access your daily notes or logs. Once you've created and named your page, the next thing you want to do is to type the command template button into the main body of your new page. This command allows you to bring up the template button feature, an essential aspect of today's tutorial. The template button is a powerful tool in Notion because it can automate repetitive tasks like creating daily log entries. This feature will help keep your workspace organized and save you time in the long run. After typing in template button, you'll see an option to configure the template button. You'll want to click on that. This step involves setting up what happens when you use the template button. This configuration process gives you control and flexibility, allowing you to determine the format and content that appear each time you add a new date. Now it's time to set the button's name and its contents. The name of the button could be something like New Date Entry, Add Journal Page, or whatever suits the task you're organizing. You'll also need to determine the page content that will appear every time you hit that button. Typically, you might include a date header, some prompts, or template text that will help guide your daily entries. Consider what kind of information would be beneficial for your journaling or logging to make the best use of this feature. Once you've set up your button name and its contents, go ahead and click Close. This will save your settings and make your template button ready for use. Every time you need to add a new entry or page for a specific date, you can simply click this button, and a fresh page will populate with your predefined structure. And that's it. You've effectively streamlined the process of adding multiple dated pages in Notion. With these steps, not only will you enhance the efficiency of your daily logging, but you'll also maintain a clean and orderly digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.